What's up, fam? So today I am super excited because we are going to be testing out Abracadabra. So I'm excited for the simple fact that I've seen the rave about this and I'm like, okay, I got to get this, honey. I want to see what it does. And we're going to test it on a couple of things. So first, before we get into that, I do want to read what it says right here. Harness the power of the on-the-spot stain treatment of your dreams on clothes, linens, fabrics, upholstery, and carpet around the house, the car, and the job. So I'm like, okay, baby, you could take this anywhere. All right, throw this in your purse. I mean, if you got a big purse and you need to do a little spring cleaning at your office, you could do that as well, okay? So it does say better, stronger, faster than the rest. It says it has no peroxide or bleach, no formaldehyde or sulfates, no animal byproducts. So I'm here for that. Let's get ready to give this a go, baby, okay? All right, fam. So most of you know that when you have a stove that's electric, more than likely you're gonna end up getting this ring around your stove. And I absolutely hate that. So we're gonna go ahead and spray some of this stuff on here. Let it sit for a bit. Just so y'all see, I'm using it. And I'm gonna saturate that ring around it. So that ring is a cruddy, disgusting, hot mess. You know what? Why not get the center as well? So while we let that sit, oh, and it smells amazing. Oh my gosh. So this smells like bubblegum, y'all. So if y'all want your kitchen to smell like bubblegum, this is definitely gonna be the stuff to use right here. I'm absolutely loving this. All right, let's go to the bathroom. All right, fam. So now we are in my toilet bowl. As you can see, the stains of just flushing and hard water is disgusting. Let's go ahead and spray this and see how it does. All right, so we'll come back to that in a bit. All right, y'all, so now we are in my garage. It is time for the ultimate test, which is the car. So I just sprayed some on right now, and let's wipe gently. What? Did y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Look at this. That's insane. Now you know you can trust it on your car. Let's go back to the kitchen, shall we? All right, fam, we are back at the kitchen. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down. I got myself a fresh cloth right here. Let's get wiping. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this was cruddy, disgusting. Like, it was hard and upraised. Oh my gosh. Yes, so that was the goal, to get the ring off. All right, so here is the finished result after wiping it off. So you can see that even though this is still brown or whatever, it is still taking it off, y'all. So when you have a stove like this, you might want to let it sit a little bit longer, but we did just come right back. So now back to the toilet. All right, fam, we're back at the toilet, baby. So I'm just gonna dip it in a little bit of water and I'm gonna gently scrub right here, and check it out. It's already taking off the orangeness from the rest of the water. Like, I'm absolutely here for this. Do y'all see this? Add a little bit more water. And y'all, when I say I'm not rubbing hard, I'm not rubbing hard at all. I'm just going back and forth with the brush and I'm rinsing it off in the water. And that is it. Yes. All in all, fam, I could truly say this was like magic. Abracadabra.